cooking an art or a science? To be honest, I would prefer to be called an artist. Scientist थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. नहीं? Life as an artist is super fun, but only if we find the right inspiration. Luckily for me, my bespoke side-by-side, it's also my inspiration. Just look at it. I'm completely obsessed with the color and design. और एक magic दिखाऊं? देखा मेरे touch का magic? Thanks to the awesome auto open door feature, a gentle touch on the sensor unlocks the door. So even if your hands are full or greasy, मेरी तरह, the bespoke side-by-side is super easy to open. Strawberry.